Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So in this video, I wanted to show you that you can do some pretty cool V-carve inlays in something other than an end grain cutting board. This is a simple log slab that I had laying around in the shop. I sliced it to roughly 1 inch thick, surfaced it, and then created a V-carve inlay. As you can see, I'm using a 12.5 degree ball end mill for this. For the V-carve portion of this, we used a 1/8 inch end mill for the flats, and this thing really does come out pretty cool. Here we're working on the male, and I tried something new with this. I ran the V-carve portion of this file first, then went into the end mill. I think it leaves or creates a more stable cut for the fine details. As the V-mill goes through, it doesn't pop little pieces out when the thing is solid like this. That's just my opinion. Now, as you can see, the mill ran off the edge of the board there, but I don't care because the outside portion of that skull is going to get removed by the end mill. The flat end mill, that is. And I see this skull's got some cavities, so what better way to clean them up than with a toothbrush? Like I said, I think it just makes the wood more stable when you're cutting out the V portion as opposed to the end mill portion. And that's just my opinion. But so far I'm having good luck doing it this way. A few more details, a few more cavities, and it'll switch to the end mill. This is cherry wood that we're using, and that mill is running at 20 inches per minute. We speed up the end mill to 75 inches per minute when we do the switch here shortly, like now. As you can see, the end mill is removing the material from the outside. Male portion of this carve knocks the little pieces out. I don't have to worry about it knocking the fine detail out because we've created an edge. And now we have the male and the female. And the male once more. A little glue, which I'm a little heavy-handed with the glue because the glue soaks into the fibers on an end grain piece. This one's rather dry to begin with. That's Type Bond 3 that we're using there. Not that we're going to use this to prepare food on, but we are going to turn it into a hot plate. And as you can see, we have plenty of goop on here. And after a little bit of playing around, we got the thing to line up. As you can see, a little bit of playing around, and it falls into place. Now I give it a few good whacks with a rubber hammer. I think that sets the V-carve into the male. I should say male into the female, and we clamp the dickens out of it. Pour some finish on it, and man, how that pops. So as I said, you don't always have to do an end grain cutting board to end up with something pretty cool. As always, I hope you got something out of this video. I know it was a short one, but please give us a like and share. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Happy Halloween, everybody.